Hello and welcome. In this video, I just want to demonstrate to you how to modify this position that I have created here using Logical. I have created this portal with the window here, but I want to change the dimensions of this portal. For this, I have this very specific logical feature at the top position in the feature area, which is important. I can simply expand this here and double-click on Sketch, and it will load this sketch for me again. Now I can go here and change the size to 2001 with a double click. As soon as I click accept here, it automatically jumps back to Logical and the corrected values are transferred to me again. This process ensures that all the necessary corrections are made and transferred accurately. By doing this, the system guarantees that no errors are overlooked and everything is updated correctly. As you can see it right here. I have the changed size of 2001 right here. I can also proceed through my position once again and also modify this position as well. Now my element or position has been changed in Logical, and this correction is also transferred to HiCAD in the system and updated accordingly as well and ensure accuracy. Now the individual profiles are being compared to see which ones have changed and which ones have remained the same. After noticing the discrepancy, I promptly took action to correct the change. I ensured that the modification was consistent and identical in both places. This involved carefully reviewing the changes, understanding the root cause of the discrepancy, and making sure that the final version was accurate and